Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do some super cute farmhouse Christmas kitchen decor. I've been wanting to do a video like this for a long time. Let's get crafting. So for project number 1, we're going to be doing some Christmas salt and pepper shakers. You can get these at Dollar Tree and they're actually 2 for $1, so they're 50 cents each. I'm going to be using my Martha Stewart in brick red paint, and I'm going to be doing 3 coats. I am not painting the top of them. I am just painting where it would be underneath the lid. That way I didn't want to even take a chance of getting paint up by where the lid would be, because you can use these. There's no paint inside. You can fill them up with salt and pepper, and you can use them during the holiday season. Such a deep, pretty red. I absolutely love that color red. So now we're going to make these into Santa's belts. And I'm using paint pens in white and black. Now my white paint pen I think is dying because it just wasn't very dark. I just used a popsicle stick to try to get a straight line. Mine isn't perfect. If you want to use a ruler, you can. It's a little wonky lines because I had to come back in with a paintbrush, but I am using the Dollar Tree transfer letters for the S and the P. So at first when I made my box for his belt, it wasn't big enough and I had to make it bigger. So right now I'm just giving an eyeball effect of the white box. I know I'm going to have to come back in with a paintbrush. And then I'm using those sticks to go along each side with the black, and that'll be the black part of his belt.
Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now you dear old man, whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney broad and black, with your pack you'll creep. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one, you'll be sure to know.
So like I said, my paint pen wasn't the greatest, and I did have to come back in with a small little brush and cover up that white and then set that aside to dry. Now I messed up and I didn't let mine dry. I would let this dry for a few hours before I put the rub-on transfer. I actually didn't let mine dry enough, so when I peeled the transfer up, it did take some of the paint. So I had to come back in and do a little touch-ups with my paintbrush. So on one of them, of course, I put an S. On the other one, I put a P.
Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean
So once I fixed my mistakes, they did turn out really cute. I've never had Christmas salt and pepper shakers, so I was excited to add these to my Christmas decor. And for $1 and some paint, you can't go wrong with that price point, can you? So now in the children's section of Dollar Tree, they sell these plastic utensils. Now they are flat on the back and hollowed out. They're not round all the way around. But that's okay because it makes it great for setting on a table or a tiered shelf or a tray. So I ran out of white paint, so I took some of my cream chalk paint from Folk Art, and I probably gave these 4 or 5 coats. If you have spray paint, that would probably be the better way to do it. I didn't have any. Spray paint, you probably would have only had to do a couple coats. But I did paint the front and the back of these plastic utensils. I've always wanted small little miniature, these are kind of miniature, Christmas utensils to decorate with. And when I saw these in the kids section, I grabbed them over the summer because I knew exactly what I was going to be doing. I thought I had a fine tip Sharpie. That would be perfect. All I had was a black marker. So I do need to go get me a Sharpie and make these words darker. So I just freehanded joy, peace, faith, and love on each one of these on the handle. And like I said, mine are kind of faint, I guess. I do need to go over these again. If you have a Sharpie, that would probably work perfect. Then I came back in with my black paint pen and I added some distressing going all around the edges of all the handles. I think adding that distressing really makes these farmhouse and really makes them pop. Then I came in with some black buffalo check ribbon and I just tied a piece of ribbon through the little hole that are in each of the handles. I tied it around into a knot. Now I am still trying to decide how I want to use these with my Christmas decor. Like I said, they could go on a tiered tray, they could go on a centerpiece, or if you actually have a Christmas tree that you put in your kitchen, these would be great ornaments to put on a kitchen Christmas tree. You could even put some twine going through these and you could make them into a little garland for your kitchen as well. There's a lot of different decorating possibilities and I'm not quite sure where I'm gonna what direction I'm gonna go with them, but they are so cute and I can't wait to use them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it for you. This is part of my series, so I'll be back again tomorrow. I hope you guys are having a wonderful and blessed day. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that like button. It really helps me out. And I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love y'all. Bye.